Has buying a home been on your mind, but the news about the current housing market has you questioning your decision? You're probably wondering, is now the right time to buy, or should I hold off? Well, that's the million-dollar question with a not so simple answer. But don't worry, I'm here to clarify some information for you so that you can have the right tools and information to make the decision that's best for your specific needs and situation. So let's dive into the market pulse and unlock the secrets to buying smart in today's dynamic real estate world. Hi, I'm Carrie Tanner, Realtor with AtCoastal Realty. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on my monthly real estate market series, which lets you know what's happening both locally and nationally. But for now, let's get to the information you've been waiting for. Let's start with one of the biggest topics in the real estate world: interest rates. They're the heartbeat of the real estate market. Yeah, they've been on a roller coaster lately, but let's put this into perspective. Higher rates can be intimidating, but they often cool down a heated market, making it less of a bidding war and more of a thoughtful investment for you. We've seen that higher interest rates have taken some buyers out of the market, lessening the competition for more active home buyers. Less competition means that you have a greater chance of negotiating the terms that work well in your favor. Up next, another big topic in the real estate world: property values. Property values are soaring, and it's easy to see why. Homes are more than just brick and mortar. They're dreams taking shape. But here's the kicker: with the right strategy, even a high value market can offer unique opportunities. It's all about understanding the where and the when. And let's face it, home prices are not coming down anytime soon. So instead of going against the grain, ride the wave and take advantage of the growing market. Let's take a look at Henry Homebuyer. Henry bought a home in December of 2022 for $300,000. Taking into account the current property value increase in December of 2023, Henry Homebuyer has likely gained about $20,000 in equity. So if you waited to buy, not only are you missing out on the equity, but you're also paying more for the same home. So how do you make a leap with confidence? First, arm yourself with knowledge. Understand the local market trends and compare it with your goals, needs, and current situation. Knowledge isn't just power, it's profit. And let's talk prep work. In today's market, your financial groundwork is your superpower. A solid pre-approval, a flexible mindset, and a willingness to act swiftly can set you apart from the crowd. Buying a home is a journey, not just a transaction. It's about finding the perfect match where value meets opportunity and your dreams meet reality. So, is it time to buy? If you're ready, the market is ripe with possibilities. Thinking it's time to turn the key on your future home? Let's have a conversation about how I can come up with a game plan on how you can successfully navigate through this market. Give me a call and we can schedule a free, no obligation, no pressure conversation about your specific needs and situation. And remember, knowledge is power in real estate. So be sure to like and subscribe to my channel so that you can not just follow the market, but stay ahead of the market. Thanks for watching. I'm Carrie Tanner, the key to unlocking your real estate dreams.